guys, it's Jamie with Badass Mama Gang, and we are back with another fabulous routine. This is a song that you're going to hear right in your own radio in your car, but you can bring it to your own living room and dance with us. So this today is brought to you by Cierra. The song is called Karaoke. It is by Big Freedia and Lizzo. Love her. And I will see you on the other side of this with some other information.
Dun, dun, dun. Showtime. Time to shine. Showtime. Yo time. Got a bevy of bad bras with ankle mounted tall. They hit her with bandos, they cook the pop off. Give a fuck about landlord when we some outlaws. Baby, you can get Randolph, a nigga not soft. Ooh, bitch, you better. Ooh, bitch, you better. Ooh, bitch, you better. Fuck a hitter 'cause you should know better.
Touchdown on the stage and no bitch ain't come to play. Clap, clap when I sing, so I know that you feeling me. Oh, if you live this loud, show it, show it, show it. Oh, it's your moment now. Sing it, sing it, sing it. Karaoke.
You better. You better drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. You gotta work it, work it, work it, work it, work it, work it. Karaoke. You better. You better drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. You better sing it, baby, sing it, baby, sing it, baby. Why the fuck would I throw shade with all the sunshine? I just got me a whole case, I'm worried about mine. I showed up on time. Leave whole shook inside. Oh, bitch, you better. Oh, bitch, you better. Oh, bitch, you better. Fuck a hitter 'cause you should know better.
Touchdown on the stage and no bitch ain't come to play. Clap, clap when I sing, so I know that you feeling me. Oh, if you live this loud, show it, show it, show it. Oh, it's your moment now. Sing it, sing it, sing it. Karaoke.
You better. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. You gotta work it, work it, work it, work it, work it, work it. Karaoke. You better. You gotta drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. You gotta sing it, baby, sing it, baby, sing it, baby.
Oh shit.
Come make a wish, then make them bounce. Pride on your lips, come make that sound. If you got a dick, then dick them down. If you got the drip, then make them drown. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Work it, work it, work it, work it, work it, work it, work it. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Work it, work it, work it, work it.
Every business day.
Touchdown on the stage and no bitch ain't come to play. Clap, clap when I sing, so I know that you feeling me. Oh, if you live this loud, show it, show it, show it. Oh, it's your moment now. Sing it, sing it, sing it. Karaoke.
You better. You gotta drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. You gotta work it, work it, work it, work it, work it, work it. Karaoke. You better. You gotta drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. You gotta sing it, baby, sing it, baby, sing it, baby. Karaoke.
So what'd you think? Did you get sweaty? These are so much fun. There are a ton of routines on this channel. Make sure that you give this that thumbs up. If you like it, hit that subscribe button and go check out the other routines. The other thing is that if you ever want to be able to do on-demand classes right in your own home, there's going to be some information down below and you can sign up. It's under $10 a month and you get access to over 200, yes, 200 classes that you can pick from that are hip-hop cardio, hip-hop tone, and some booty camp. All right, guys, go be awesome. Have an amazing day.
I've been sweatpants on, girls. Hold on. Don't make shake it like that.